Hi, I'm Andrew and welcome to this video. So today I'd like to invite you to my upcoming 3-day Transference Healing fundamental training. This will be held in July, between the 8th to 10th of July. And this training is really the core fundamental training within Transference Healing that really gives you this opportunity to start to self-heal on a much deeper level and to self-master. So Transference Healing is really a self-mastery lineage, and it works with both Alchemy and Lightbody Technology to create these really deep healing changes within the body and consciousness. It allows the awakening of spiritual insight and spiritual abilities, and just overall that ability to create ongoing wellness, expansion, and a higher consciousness in your life. So it's a very comprehensive, very pure training. Through the 3 days you're suspended in this beautiful high frequency templated space, and you learn so many beautiful and powerful healing procedures that, you know, once you have those, they're lifelong gifts really. And it really helps you to, as you run the healing sessions regularly, it helps you to really start rapidly shifting, transforming, and as I say, creating more health and wellness in your life. And in particular, you know, it works very much on the subtle levels, the emotional, mental and spiritual planes, to create this more holistic state of wellness and transformation, because we can't transform just by doing it on the physical. You know, good diet and exercise and all that can only get us so far. We need to look at the whole system, the whole body consciousness interactions, and really work on that level. And that's what makes Transference Healing very unique and very powerful, is that it does tap into all these different levels and layers through the healing session. So at one point we might be working in the physical level, the next moment we're working on the emotional level, the mental level, the spiritual level. And so as we work on all these levels, it weaves through this beautiful, cohesive and comprehensive healing session that just creates these incredible shifts in your life. Sometimes we don't know what we need to heal until we can actually hit those levels and go, oh wow, you know, I was holding on to this really deep aspect within my etheric or emotional body, and now that it's coming up, I'm getting more wisdom around that, and now I can shift that. So this modality is really about, you know, not only giving you the healing tools, but it gives you the wisdom and the understanding of the, you know, why is this happening? Why is this coming up in my life? And how can I start to, you know, master these feelings or situations or what's happening in my consciousness more at this time? So it gives you real clarity and consciousness in your healing journey and spiritual awakening. So yeah, if you're interested, bookings close by the 19th of June. And yeah, if you're interested, just send me a message. I'll link the details below in this post. And yeah, would love to hear from you. And if you're feeling the call, then yeah, reach out, and more than happy to have a chat and share more information with you. Thank you.